Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna let you know what you should be doing if there are unauthorized charges on your TD Bank credit card. So if you see any sort of activity like unauthorized charges on your TD Bank credit card, then what you should be doing is that you have to follow the steps. So first of all, you go to your online banking account. So type in TD Bank, and then you could go to report the suspected fraudulent charge to the TD and its dispute. Now, as soon as you suspect there has been a fraudulent transaction, you should call the TD Bank card customer service card support number immediately, and you can also find this number on the back of your TD Bank credit card. And likewise, you could also go to the official link, or you could go to support center and let them know about it, and they should be able to look into your matter. So this is what you should be doing if there are any unauthorized charges on your TD Bank credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.